Good morning children. Today we are going to do an activity based on plant products, food that we get from plants. Here we take a colorful paper and first heading is grains. First heading is grains. So we put grains. First, after putting Fevicol, we put some wheat over here. We put some wheat. These are the wheat. From wheat, we make chapati, paratha, puri, bread, biscuit. Then another grain, we take some rice and paste over here like this. First paste Fevicol, then paste rice over here. These are grains. Mama makes chawal, rice, bhat for you. These are the grains. And right here, this is wheat. So, we write here wheat. And what is this? This is rice. This is another type of grains. Then, what is the heading? Pulses. Pulses means dal. So here I take lots of pulses. First we put here Fevicol. Put here let's put some Fevicol here. Then this is pigeon pulse. That means arhar dal. And this is moong ki dal. This is moong ki dal. And put some masur ki dal and chane ki dal. This is chane ki dal. All these are pulses. So put like this. After this is the heading of nuts. So we put here different kinds of nuts here. First paste lots of gum here, and after that we put one by one. This is, what is this? This is cashew nut, kaju. Then raisins, that is kishmish. You like kishmish? Then almond, badam, and this is your peanuts, chinia badam. So put over here on colorful paper. Another heading is tea. We put some tea in this cellophane pouch and put over here like this. What is this? This is the heading of spices. What is the meaning? Hindi meaning spices means masala. जब आपकी मम्मी खाना बनाती हैं तो lots of masala she used to make the food delicious. These are the spices. Red chili, bay leaf, and lots of spices are there. And you know, these spices we get from plants. So we take all these spices and put here over here. Last, I left some thing here. I've forgotten. This is walnut, akroot. This is walnut, akroot. It is also a dry fruit. So we put here like this. This is, what is this? This is, do you know what is this? This is sugar. We get sugar from plants. From sugarcane plants, we get sugar. So, this is also a plant product. So, we put over here like this, sugar, and paste this like this. All the things paste it on colorful paper. Take some time to dry it. Label it. This is wheat, this is rice. Wheat and rice are grains. Pulses. Here some 4 types of pulses are there. Nuts, मेवा फल, walnut, cashew nut, raisins, and almond, peanut. Here tea. Tea we get from plants. Here spices, masale, we also get from plants. Sugar we also get from plants. These are the food items. These are the food items that we get from plants. These are plant products. You have to do at home. You have to do and collect the things, collect the items that we get from plant and paste on colorful paper. This is an activity you have to do at home. Thank you. Now children, this activity is ready for you. See it carefully and do at home and send it tomorrow. Bye bye.